Pocket there. Those handcuffs? Ace.
This crowd is firmly behind MSP.
What is happening here?
I don't know, like, this is their realm. Alexander Lee, Brandon Kirk, this is what they do. MSP, they're new to the game. They've been wrestling for
Wait a minute.
years. 2-3 years they've been wrestling.
What is going on here?
Oh, no.
What is, he's gonna handcuff him.
By the
He's
ear?
got that handcuff
By the
through
ear?
the gauges in his ear.
Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Oh my God.
This is sick. This is sick.
How are they ever gonna overcome this? He's handcuffed by the ear. He's gonna have to tear his own ear. What's Joe Eastman got? Joe Eastman's got the key.
Now he's getting in the ring. He's getting in the ring.
What?
Why is he in the ring? Why is he in the ring?
It's a street fight. Anything goes.
Who is it, Mr. Fuji? He shouldn't be in the ring right now. Come on.
What are we gonna do? You can't disqualify him.
The guy has his ear handcuffed to the bottom rope.
He's adding insult to injury.
God, Sebel gun.